Hey, welcome back to 508's Garage. Today we got another project. We're helping out little brothers, Min Kota. Alright, we got ourselves a little Min Kota here. This is actually the edge, and he's got a slight problem. No, it's not just because it doesn't have a screw on it. It's because it's broke. Alright, I'm going to try to do this with one hand. See how it goes. Alright, if you look deep inside this thing, you see a little groove. Now that groove has a little pin that corresponds in the shaft. Take a look at this. There's no pin. So when you put your prop on, it just spins. That's not going to work. So what we actually have to do, I'm going to try to get a picture of the old one. My little brother took it off. And just to see, I mean, this whole thing was broken off. So obviously they hit something. But we're going to fix it up. So what we're going to do is actually drill out that hole right there. And then we got to find some sort of a pin. Actually, what I was thinking was actually using a drill bit. It's nice and hard. Shouldn't rust, maybe. But then we should be able to get this guy working again. So let me go get everything set up because this thing is a lot heavier than it looks. And I'll see if I can get a drill and a drill bit. And we're going to come back and we're going to look at it again. And hopefully be an easy fix. But we'll see. Alright, so I'm over here and I'm getting ready to drill it out. But I'm like, you know what? We should be able to punch that through. And unfortunately, my small itty bitty punch shattered into a million pieces. So I just grabbed a little dinky itty bitty screwdriver, it's a Phillips head, and we're going to try and knock this guy out. I'm thinking it's just going to fall out. There you go. Alright, so now I just got to find something to actually go in there. Now you can use a nail rust, and actually drill bits actually do too, but drill bit is a little bit harder. I wonder, maybe I can just sacrifice my screwdriver. Let me see if I've had one that's a little bit tighter fit. We're going to sacrifice something. Just not sure what it is yet. But we're sacrificing something. Alright, I think I've got it figured out. I just made this little guy. Very simple. And the good thing is, it fits right inside, before it falls out, right inside my impeller. And, most importantly, stay. It fits inside my shaft here. Now what it was actually one of these guys. It's for my pegboard. Saw it on the wall. Seemed to be the right size. Seemed to be. So anyway, let's put this guy back together. Make sure this thing works. Quick and easy. I love these. Holy crap, I love it when it's that easy. Oh my gosh, this is going to be a 4-minute video. But these things are really easy. Don't be afraid of it if you do break it off. You can actually put a new pin in it. We just made one out of a pegboard brace. Use what you got. If that doesn't work, well, go out and buy the real thing. I couldn't find one that was exactly for this particular one, but I'm sure they're out there. If you find one, put it down in the description below or in the comments. Yeah, the comments. Anyway, stay tuned for some other stuff. I got another project sitting over here. Check it out. It's like one of those sneak previews. Yeah, look at this beast. I believe it's a 4-stroke, 8 horsepower beast, man. Alright, this thing needs an impeller change. Stay tuned for that one next time. But until then, get out there and get your hands dirty. Fix your stuff. Fix your buddy's stuff. Fix your brother's stuff. Just go out there and fix some stuff. I'll be proud of you. Not that it matters. Anyway, take it easy. Have fun. Catch you later.